Do you know how the string that holds a kite, called Manjha, is actually made? Let's explore. Kite flying is an old tradition in India. The real power behind a flying kite lies in its string. First, a special mixture is prepared using rice glue, fine wooden powder, and crushed glass. This mixture makes the thread strong, sharp, and durable. Next, colors are added to the mixture. These colors give the Manjha its beautiful appearance. The thread reels are dipped into the mixture. Then, they are stretched between two poles and left to dry in the sunlight. As the thread dries under the sun, the coating becomes even stronger. This step ensures the durability of the Manjha. Once ready, the Manjha is wound onto plastic reels. This process requires great care to prevent the threads from tangling. The mixture is applied with precision to ensure the entire thread is evenly coated. This is crucial because uneven coating can weaken the thread.